Lord, his hair is calling for help. His hair, I know help when I hear it speaking. Boy, your hair is speaking in tongues. Boy, we gonna sit here and we gonna look at you. Lester, get in there and go by the depot or the Lowe's. Somebody get in there and get this boy some Flexi-Seal, because he needs something on his top of tire, because it is running wild. Look here. Why you looking like my first president? You look like the light-skinned, dark-skinned George Washington Carver. We go sit here and use some of this right here on your head. Come here.